Hey there, welcome back to Extreme RC Off-Roading. Today we're going to be diving into the world of RC crawlers and taking a look at the UTB18 Capra from Axial. Get ready for an in-depth look at this impressive machine. When it comes to the design and build quality of the Axial UTB18 Capra, one noticeable aspect is its size. This crawler stands out from the crowd with its larger dimensions compared to other 1/18 scale crawlers. The UTB18 Capra is more like a 1/12 scale vehicle. The increased size gives it more imposing presence and allows for enhanced performance and better obstacle clearance. It's worth noting that this large size contributes to its impressive performance and ability to conquer challenging terrains with ease. Now let's talk about the performance. The UTB18 Capra excels in the realm of off-road crawling. The suspension system is robust and capable of handling hard terrains with ease. The articulation is impressive, allowing the vehicle to conquer steep inclines and challenging obstacles. The low center of gravity and balanced weight distribution contribute to its exceptional stability. Whether you're navigating rocks, roots, or even uneven surfaces, UTB18 Capra excels in adrenaline pumping experience. Alright, it's time to put the Axial UTB18 Capra to the test and see how it performs in real-world conditions. Join me as we take this beast on a thrilling test run. Here we are at a local park, an ideal spot to push the Capra to its limits. Watch closely as it conquers various terrains and obstacles. The Capra's powerful motor and suspension truly shine as the Capra's excellent distribution and articulation allow it to maintain stability and traction even on the toughest surfaces. It's truly impressive to witness the Capra's capabilities firsthand. As we continue to test run, let's focus on Capra's maneuverability. Notice how responsive the steering is, allowing for precise control around tight corners and obstacles. Its impressive crawling ability allows it to navigate rocks, roots, and other challenging elements with ease. We'll show you multiple camera angles to give you a comprehensive view of the Capra's performance, from close-up shots showcasing its suspension flex to wider angles capturing the vehicle's overall movements. We want you to experience the test run for every angle. After an exhilarating test run, I must say that the Axial UTB18 Capra has exceeded my expectations. Its impressive climbing capability, excellent maneuverability, and stability make it a top contender in the RC crawler world. This test run has truly showcased the Capra's off-road prowess and left me truly impressed. When it comes to electronics and controls, the UTB Capra doesn't disappoint. The transmitter and receiver provide a reliable connection, ensuring seamless communication with the vehicle. The controls are responsive and precise, giving you full command over the crawler's movement. Speed controller allows for adjustable throttle, letting you fine-tune the experience to your liking. The servo is quick and accurate, providing excellent steering control, which is crucial during technical maneuvers. Now, let's delve into the powertrain of the UTB18 Capra. Equipped with a brushed motor, this crawler delivers excellent torque to conquer challenging climbs. The gearing and drivetrain setup work in harmony, offering a good balance between crawling capability and overall speed. Whether you're tackling steep ascents or navigating tricky descents, the UTB18 Capra's drivetrain performs excellent. Now moving on to the battery life and charging. During my testing, I enjoyed about 45 minutes of non-stop crawling action before I needed to recharge. Speaking of recharging, the included charger is easy and efficient to use, ensuring minimal downtime between adventures. Stability is a crucial factor when it comes to RC crawlers, and while the UTB18 Capra is built to withstand rugged off-road adventures, there is one minor limitation to be aware of. During my testing, I found that the front steering links, unfortunately, were a bit weak since they're made of plastic. While they held up fine under normal conditions, intense impacts or collisions could potentially lead to breakage. However, it's worth mentioning that aftermarket metal steering links are available, offering a simple upgrade solution to enhance the overall durability of the vehicle. Let's talk about the price tag of the Axial UTB18 Capra. This impressive RC crawler is available at the price of around $250. Considering its exceptional design, performance, capabilities, durability, and overall value, the UTB18 Capra offers a fantastic package for the price. While it may be a significant investment, it provides an immersive and thrilling off-road experience that is well worth the cost. So whether you're a dedicated RC enthusiast or someone looking to step into the world of RC crawlers, the UTB18 Capra delivers a great value for the price. Let's summarize the pros and cons of the Axial UTB18 Capra. On the positive side, this crawler delivers exceptional off-road performance, boosts a stunning and detailed design, offers great durability, and provides excellent value for the price point. However, it's worth noting that I had a few issues with the lighting system. Whenever I turned the steering on the controller, every now and then the lights would flicker or blink. Despite this, the UTB18 Capra remains a top contender in the RC crawler world. In conclusion, the Axial UTB18 Capra is an outstanding RC crawler that ticks all the right boxes. Its impeccable design, impressive performance, and overall value make it a must-have for RC enthusiasts. Whether you're a hobbyist seeking thrilling adventures or someone looking to explore the world of RC crawling, the UTB18 Capra will undoubtedly provide 5 hours of excitement. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more RC content, don't forget to hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all the most recent videos on our channel, where we continue to explore the exciting world of RC crawlers. Also, if you found this review helpful and informative, we'd appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow RC enthusiasts. Your support goes a long way in helping our channel grow and bringing you more exciting content in the future. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy crawling!